Go. Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the European market preview. Fantastic view of St Paul's. I'm sure it looks exactly like that at 4:30 a.m. as it is at the moment in the UK. Right, just having a quick look. We've had a bit of action today here. Started off very early, and here's the Kiwi chart. RBNZ cut as expected, and then here's the market reaction: down 20, up about 100. Massive move in the Kiwi. It wasn't much at all to trade within these moves, and we've just settled below the previous trend line. I've not moved that yet. We'll probably be updating soon to around about here and bringing our top side level in around about 67.80-ish. Okay, the next data we had that was pretty big and pretty substantial were these numbers here, and they were massive. Employment numbers expected at minus 10,000 came in for the second month running, much better than expected, plus 71,000. We were trading around 72.30. Let me bring this out into you. Trading around 72.30. Didn't really touch the sides until 72.80. We've been up to a high here of 73.25, currently trading around 72.90. Wouldn't surprise me as usual if there's a little bit of options action around about the big figure. So there you go. And funnily enough, that's not the end of the central bank story today. We've got the Swiss LIBOR rate coming out, and we've also got the MPC tonight. So Swissy, they're out 7:30. And the MPC are 11 o'clock. Expect no change from either of those guys, but I suppose the big stuff is the bank rate votes for the MPC. And then if we have any further info from those guys there at the Bank of England. Could be a fairly whippy day in the cable. Looking further into the evening, we've got some CAD data, pretty much secondary stuff, cap utilization rate, and the NHPI month on month. But then we've got our usual Thursday night unemployment claims in the US. Once again, that's not non-farm payrolls, that's their weekly unemployment claims. Expected to come in around 266,000, so keep an eye on that. The big stuff really is going to be that MPC, I suppose. Any difference out of those? Most of the market, I think, is maybe falling onto the hawkish side of expectation if there's going to be any kind of a change. Let's just see what these guys are giving us. Yeah, there's no predicted surprise really. Look, plus 0.1. So that's probably one economist that going with there could be a change to the voting for a hike. Be interesting to see. This is sterling at the moment, just sitting up here. I'll take that trend line out. Not quite sure what that one's doing there. Just sitting, it broke through this trend line. It's just sitting trading sideways, very, very quiet underneath 152, the figure. So it'll be interesting to see what action we get from the cable. I don't anticipate seeing it around here this time tomorrow. So we'll leave you guys with that. Good luck tonight. I think we're covering a few of the webinars, so please join in with that. If you need anything, give us a shout in the live trade zone and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, good luck. Hope you did well today out those Aussie numbers. And if you're up early enough, out the Kiwi. So I believe, I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I believe I sort of called that move. Didn't trade it, but it was far too wild and whippy. All right, guys, good luck, and we'll speak soon. Cheers.